Good morning, it's June 1st. We're here at the Cars and Coffee in Lafayette, Colorado. Thanks. This is a Miata. Oh, that's super clean.
Yeah. Good luck. Oh, thanks.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
What inspired this?
We're running the Gambler 500.
Oh, yeah?
Next weekend.
Where's that?
That's going to be up north, outside of Fort Collins, and then into Wyoming. But it's like
a $500 car, right? And then you...
Yeah, $500 cars, 500 miles. We're a little bit over that, but
I love it, man. It looks great.
yeah.
Love that color. That's awesome. Interesting. It's got the Pro Drive wheels, which is interesting. It's got the Subaru wheels. Weather a little bit, and then clear it maybe at some point.
Give it a couple of years, and then I'm just gonna clear it.
We could help it along with a little water and just park it.
Headlights, dude, that is cool. Yeah, great. Yeah, everyone runs the red one. I think Chris is on the Subaru. Rentec too. That's cool. GT350R with the roll cage. Yeah, it's simple, right? It's like a...
And I ain't driving for Aurora. He's driving to his feet. I got it.
How long have you... This is cool because I can tell you've put a lot of work into this car. A lot.
I've had it for like Is there any like
Hell yeah. That is badass. So this is a GSR? The motor?
No, it's just a B16A.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
okay.
from like, boy, those are reflectors I don't know.
Yeah. Good luck in the rally.
Hey, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Something like that, let me know.
Definitely.
Yeah, we usually